How to fix Instagram confirm your phone number error. So if you are having trouble verifying or confirming your phone number on your Instagram account, or you are simply not receiving verification codes, so to fix that, the first thing that you need to do is to go to your phone settings. Under settings, you'll have to scroll down and then look for the apps option. After that, you'll have to go to this manage applications, and then in here we'll have to search for our messaging app. So under application information, what you need to do is to go to this clear data and then tap on this clear cache and then tap on OK. So we're doing this to refresh our messaging app. After that, we'll have to go to this app permissions, and then in here we have to make sure that all the permissions are under allowed option. And then once we're done here, we'll have to go back and then go to our messaging app. In here, we'll have to tap on our profile icon, and then after that, we'll have to go to this messages settings. Under settings, we'll have to tap on this RCS chats, and then in here, we have to make sure that send read receipts are toggled on. After that, we'll have to go back again and then go to this notifications option. So in here, what we need to do is to make sure that all our notifications are toggled on. You might have already received the message but you are not being notified. After checking your notifications, the last thing that you need to do is to go back to your messaging app and then check if you have received the confirmation code. Once you receive the confirmation code, all you need to do is to go back to your Instagram account and then try to verify it again. So that's how easy you can fix Instagram confirm your phone number error. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!